In the program, we have 4 pathways. One is the restoration pathway, whereby we look at the degraded sites of Mount Kenya and do the restoration. The other one is landscape finance, whereby we attract investments in the landscape. The other one is integrated landscape management, whereby we come up with multi-stakeholder platform to look at the issues of Mount Kenya, discuss together, and also come up with solution. And the other pathway at the fourth, which is the fourth one, is the resilience pathway. In resilience pathway, we work with the farmers, who include the tea farmers, and with tea, we are working directly with KTDA. We target initially 25,000, but we are scaling that up together with the KTDA. Today, we are happy that we are launching one of our key interventions in tea, which is diversification. The tea farmers have come up with their business cases, like Mr. Sudia said, and those business cases of the 8 factories are going to be funded through this partnership. KTDA will continue to mobilize additional resources also from their side, in addition to the 8 million Kenya shillings that we have given. But the diversification fund for Mount Kenya Sustainable Landscape and Livelihoods Program reaches beyond the tea farmers. So we are also having similar initiatives with our coffee farmers, and then also we have similar initiatives with our members of water resource users associations, also members of community forest association, and also women and youth in the counties. So this is an ongoing program, and we are happy that today we are coming here to launch.